Hello everyone, this is a quick video on how to make a door system in Unity for touch devices. I already have basic scene setup which has player and a cube. So let's create a cube which will act as a trigger. Position the cube as you want. Turn off the mesh render component and check the each trigger in the box collider. Now let's create a button. Right click in the hierarchy window, go to UI and then select canvas. After that, right click on canvas, then again go to UI and select the button. Position the button as you want. After creating the button, assign the next scene script to the canvas. Then click on the button and in the inspector, go to the on click area. Click on the plus icon and assign the canvas here. And then click on the above drop down and select the next scene. And in the next scene, select the go to next scene method. After this, select the cube which we created as a trigger and assign the trigger script to it. In that script, you find a field for button. Assign the canvas to that field. Now let's see what we have in the scripts. In trigger script, first I have the reference to the button game object, and in the start I have disabled the visibility of the game object because in the beginning of the game we don't see the button on the screen. After that we have two methods, on trigger enter and on trigger exit. When the player enter in the trigger, then the on trigger enter method will run and it will turn on the visibility of the button game object. And when the player gets outside the trigger, then on trigger exit will run and it will turn off the visibility of the button game object. Now let's see the next scene script. In this script, on the top I imported the scene management library of Unity and I created a go to next scene method. In this method, I write this simple code which will load the next scene according to the index you specified in it. Before testing our game, we have to import all the scenes in the build setting menu. As you can see that when player get inside the trigger, the button will appear on the screen, and when player get outside the trigger, the button will disappear, and when we click on that button, it will load the next scene.